Alright, here we are. Spring turkey season. Seen turkeys every time. First day we just couldn't get her done. Tom's kind of hung out there and just couldn't come in range and get a good shot. We got the Matthew Z7 Extreme with us here. We're going to try and get it done this year with both. So stay tuned and we'll bring you some footage. I think I rushed it. Beautiful bird, 2 good toms. Got some jakes in there with them. Yes, baby, yes. It's about time. Big bird on the ground. The old Matthew Z7 right here did the trick. That's exciting. That gets the blood pumping. I'll tell you what, there's no better feeling right there.
Well, folks, here he is after the recovery. What a beautiful bird, beautiful tom. We missed him on the first shot, but the second shot was right on the money. And I'll tell you what, it's tough when you're doing solo cam style and you're trying to film and make everything happen. And with a bow, it just brings that much more of a challenge. And man, I'll tell you what, I just couldn't be more proud of this bird. First one with the Matthew Z7, first bull kill ever for me for a good turkey here in Michigan. I just couldn't be more proud. This beard's probably a good 9.5, maybe 10 inches. So good beard, good thick rope on him. This old Thunder chicken came in with another tom, and as you saw, on some hens, and they came in quiet. They weren't talking or nothing. But I'll tell you what a gorgeous evening, and it just worked out. We did some calling earlier and heard them gobbling, but didn't know if they were going to come in or not. But we made it happen. I just couldn't be more happy with this bird. I thank the Lord above for the opportunities that we have like this to hunt these turkeys in Michigan and enjoy the great wild outdoors that deer hunting and everything else that we can do here in Michigan. And, a friend of ours, Mike Stagger, we hunted many years with him in turkey hunting, and that was one passion he had. And I dedicate this bird in honor of him for letting us come out and hunt his farms all the years that we did that, and hope to do it some more. And so thanks, Mike. I really appreciate the hunts that we had with you, and we really enjoyed that. So I want to dedicate this bird to you, and also to my dad, who passed away a few years back, and he loved the turkey hunt. A lot of good memories with him and my our buddy Mike, going out to the farm there, the Stagger farm, and really just enjoying those hunts together. And I'll tell you what, I just couldn't be more proud of the opportunity to do this kind of thing. And so he doesn't have real big spurs, but probably a 2-year-old bird. But for the first one with a bull, we'll take him. Beautiful evening, and we just want to say thanks again to Mike for letting us do the hunting out there at his farm. So we're gonna get him tagged up, get him back, get him cleaned up, and who knows, this bird right here may go on the wall as the first kill of the bow. So a beautiful bird.